I've been interviewing other people on this channel about what makes retrospectives much better. It's really an important event ceremony within the Scrum framework. So I want to go back to something that some of you might have skipped. It was liberating structures. I was talking about liberating structure as a way to run a retrospectives better. And I've been doing this for now 4 or 5 years without even knowing it's a liberating structure tool or method. It's called one, two, four, many. And the way you start your perspective, and do this just this week, is by asking people individually, hey, what went well and what was one thing you would do differently for the next sprint? Have them write this down. It could be on a piece of paper, it could be online. Have them do that for 2 minutes on their own. Then ask them to pair up with someone they haven't been working with much in the last sprint, in the last 2 to 4 weeks, and have them walk outside and share their thoughts for another 5 to 7 minutes. Have them come back. Now ask them to form teams of four. And again, you can do this online as easily. You can use a spreadsheet, you can use an online doc, you can use a wiki page for that. And ask this group of four to come up with a list of the 3 things we can do better or we can improve for the next sprint. And then have the entire team, if it's 2 teams or 3 teams of four, discuss that for another 15 minutes. The goal is to get to 1 or 2 things you really want to improve that will increase the team performance for the next sprint. So create these 1 or 2 things, and that's not enough. So the next step, as I've already said a couple of times, is for this topmost thing, and you can do dot voting to prioritize the things you want to improve on. For the 1 or 2 topmost things, what are the series of steps you can actually take, capture them in the backlog, and then put a benchmark and see if you're able to move the needle towards your North Star to really get it shining. It's not by coincidence that I renamed the playlist for these YouTube's videos. I call it Why Do Lean Agile Transformations Fail? And I think the biggest reason is because we don't adapt and adopt continuous improvement as part of what we do on the team level, on director level, on VP level, and executive level. Continuously thinking what is the one most important thing we can do, leading us to the North Star to improve. The liberating structure of one, two, four, many works very well in creating a team collaboration around that top thing and improving on that. So thanks for listening for this longer than usual post. I have a lot more to say about retrospectives. Find out more links down below, and I'll speak more later. Thank you.